Hello, we are welcome to today's episode on JavaScript programming language. So JavaScript is a scripting language that is embedded in an HTML file or HTML page, either to make your page more interactive and have some unique interface functions like animations and validation. So, what do we need to know before starting JavaScript? So let's look at the basic skills that is needed to know. We need to understand HTML and CSS before embarking the journey of JavaScript, because JavaScript is just a scripting language that is embedded in your existing HTML file to either add an interactive session on your HTML file or maybe an animation and so on. So let's quickly understand what JavaScript is all about. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. This simply means it's run directly on your browser, on your client side, not on your backend or server side. It is a multi-paradigm. So this simply means it can perform lots of function like your animation, your validation, and so on. So on type, simply means it's not a data type language where you have define your integer, your float, your boolean. So JavaScript is untyped. So then functional, it's functional. You can do a whole lot on with JavaScript. Then it's an event driven. JavaScript is based on an event driven. So it is interrupted by browser JavaScript engine. So this simply means JavaScript works with the JavaScript engine in your browser. For instance, uh, Chrome JavaScript engine is based on the V8 engine. So JavaScript is interpreted by your browser JavaScript engine. So let's see more about the advantages of JavaScript. So JavaScript increase interactivity. This simply means you can add lots of functions like animation, validation, unnecessary depending on the server side environment. So it's less server interaction. So instead of doing some validation or based on server side, you can perform everything on the client side, that is your browser itself. So with this now, it reduces the time taken for processing data. Then with JavaScript, you can have a better interface, which one of it is adding animations to your interface. You can be very creative in adding animation, which regular CSS can't give you that, but with JavaScript we can achieve it. So this will now move us to our next video on JavaScript array. So see you guys in our next video.